Welcome. These are 25 of the most commonly missed questions on the California real estate exam. Try to answer them before checking the explanation. Question 1. Which type of listing guarantees the broker a commission regardless of who sells the property? A. Open listing. B. Exclusive agency. C. Exclusive right to sell. D. Net listing. Answer. C. An exclusive right to sell listing guarantees the broker a commission no matter who sells the property. Question 2. How long must a California broker retain transaction records? A. 2 years. B. 3 years. C. 4 years. D. 5 years. Answer. C. Brokers must keep records, including listings and deposit receipts, for at least 4 years. Question 3. Which lien takes priority in California? A. Mortgage lien. B. Property tax lien. C. Judgment lien. D. Mechanics lien. Answer. B. Property tax liens always have the highest priority. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of a real estate appraisal? A. Set property taxes. B. Estimate market value. C. Verify property ownership. D. Approve a loan. Answer. B. Appraisals are done to estimate the market value of a property. Question 5. A fiduciary duty of a real estate agent includes A. Obedience. B. Loyalty. C. Accounting. D. All of the above. Answer. D. Fiduciary duties include obedience, loyalty, disclosure, confidentiality, accounting, and reasonable care. Question 6. Which contract is formed when one party promises to act if the other performs? A. Bilateral. B. Unilateral. C. Executed. D. Void. Answer. B. A unilateral contract involves a promise in exchange for performance by the other party. Question 7. Which disclosure is required when selling a property in a natural hazard zone? A. Structural defects only. B. Lead paint only. C. Natural hazard disclosure. D. None. Answer. C. Sellers must disclose if a property is in a designated natural hazard area. Question 8. What is the maximum security deposit for an unfurnished residential property in California? A. 1 month's rent. B. 1.5 months rent. C. 2 months rent. D. 3 months rent. Answer. B. 1.5 months rent is the maximum for an unfurnished property. Question 9. What does the term encumbrance mean in real estate? A. Claim or lien on a property. B. Insurance policy. C. Loan approval. D. Tax exemption. Answer. A. An encumbrance is a claim, lien, or restriction affecting ownership or use. Question 10. Which type of tenancy has a fixed start and end date? A. Tenancy at will. B. Periodic tenancy. C. Tenancy for years. D. Tenancy at sufferance. Answer. C. Tenancy for years has a defined start and end date. Question 11. A dual agent must A. Keep the arrangement secret. B. Represent only the buyer. C. Obtain written consent from both parties. D. Represent only the seller. Answer. C. Written disclosure and consent from both parties is required. Question 12. Which of the following is not required in a valid real estate contract in California? A. Offer and acceptance. B. Consideration. C. Written form for transactions over $500. D. Witness signatures. Answer. D. Witness signatures are not required. Question 13. Which of the following is a common method of transferring real property? A. Lease. B. Deed. C. Mortgage. D. Promissory note. Answer B. Ownership is transferred through a deed. Question 14. Which government agency insures FHA loans? A. VAB, USDA. C. FHA. FNMA. Answer. C. FHA insures loans for eligible borrowers. Question 15. What is a title insurance policy designed to protect? A. Property value. B. Structural defects. C. Ownership defects and liens. D. Loan repayment. Answer. C. Title insurance protects against ownership defects and liens. Question 16. Which of the following is true about an exclusive agency listing? A. Broker earns commission only if they sell. B. Broker earns commission no matter who sells. C. Owner cannot sell themselves. D. Broker sets the price. Answer. A. Commission is earned only if the broker sells the property. Question 17. Which of the following is a fiduciary duty of a broker to a client? A. Disclosure. B. Loyalty. C. Confidentiality. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All are fiduciary duties. Question 18. A broker receives trust funds from a buyer. Where must these be held? A. Personal account. B. Broker's operating account. C. Separate trust or escrow account. D. Bank vault. Answer. C. Trust funds must never be commingled. They require a separate account. Question 19. What is a comparative market analysis, CMA, used for? A. Verifying legal ownership. B. Estimating property value. C. Setting interest rates. D. Calculating property taxes. Answer. B. CMA is used to estimate property value based on comparable sales. Question 20. Which type of listing is open to multiple brokers and only pays commission to the selling broker? A. Exclusive right to sell. B. Exclusive agency. C. Open listing. D. Net listing. Answer. C. Open listings allow multiple brokers to try selling. Question 21. What is the main purpose of the California Environmental Quality Act, CEQA? A. Limit taxes. B. Protect the environment by requiring project reviews. C. Regulate commissions. D. Guarantee loan approvals. Answer. B. CEQA ensures environmental impacts are considered before projects proceed. Question 22. Which of these is not a typical duty of a property manager? A. Maintain the property. B. Collect rents. C. Set zoning laws. D. Supervise repairs. Answer. C. Setting zoning laws is a government function, not a manager's duty. Question 23. Which of the following contracts is legally enforceable in California? A. Oral contracts for real estate over $500. B. Written contracts for real estate over $500. C. Oral contracts for any amount. D. None. Answer. B. Real estate contracts over $500 must be in writing. Question 24. Which document is used to disclose material facts to buyers in California? A. Deed. B. Real estate transfer disclosure statement, TDS. C. Appraisal. D. Mortgage. Answer B. The TDS informs buyers of known material facts. Question 25. What is the standard commission rate in California real estate? A. 1%, B. 2 to 3%, C. 5 to 6%, D. 10%. Answer B. Commissions are negotiable but typically 2 to 3% per side.